So this video is going to show you the linear pattern as patterned within a sketch instead of a feature. So what I have right here is a Lego plate. I've already gone through the dimension drawings. Everything is correct. And I'm going to go into this sketch. And this is where I'm going to pattern this circle inside the sketch. So I'm going to hit this linear pattern tool. And I need to tell it what I'm going to pattern. And you can see it automatically starts picking the direction that you might want and make some assumptions for you. Now, it's sort of hard to see, but you can see the blue circles here, and it's saying there are 3 of them. Well, I happen to know there are 15 in that direction, so I'm going to double click on that and say 15. That's obviously way too far apart. So next I'm going to say what the spacing between them is. It's the spacing from point to center point to center point rather than the distance between the features. All the program cares about is the distance between one feature and the same feature on the pattern part. So this was 8 millimeters. And it's not showing you the preview of all of them, but that's because there's a whole lot. Now, we can do the other direction at the same time, and this I know is 7. And again, it's not 25, it's instead 8 millimeters. And there you have it. I'm going to hit the check mark, and it will create a sketch with all of those. Now I can just hit extrude. I'm going to say add so that all those nubs get added. I'm going to pick the sketch so that it automatically selects all of them and hit check. So what's interesting here is if you want to extrude only part of the circles that were in that sketch, we could actually go back into the sketch. And I don't know if you're familiar with the Lego brick that looks like this, but if I delete all of those, you can actually edit the pattern individually. You could even, let me show you something else. You could just delete a couple of them, or you could go in and pick one randomly, delete that one, and so on. But so you can edit the sketch at will, and I'm going to leave it like this since this is actually what one Lego brick looks like. And now you have that. So if you do it by sketch instead of by feature, sometimes that works out better if you have edits to do afterwards.